Hello friends, today I will talk about text neck syndrome. Now today one cannot live without using screens. That is, you have to use mobile phones or iPads or even laptops, and people spend hours browsing those screens. That could be related to work or even the leisure time or even studies. Now, what is this text neck syndrome? So basically, when you sit and use this devices for a long time, and then bend in a when your head is bending forwards and looking at the screen, and then that results in a set of symptoms like neck pain and shoulder pain, and that is the text neck syndrome. So basically, if you see our head when it is held in neutral position, definitely it puts some weight on the neck, and also the neck has a normal curvature, which is the inverted C. But if you are bending the head forward by 15 or 30 degrees, then the amount of loading on the neck, the pressure, it increases. And second thing is also, when you change the posture, by tilting the head forward, it puts slightly more pressure on the neck and the surrounding structures, including the spine, the ligaments, muscles. And if and depending on the number of hours that is spent in this posture, the symptoms can occur. And when you look at the common symptoms, it is pain in the back of the head, neck pain, shoulder pain. The pain can radiate to the arm, and these can be quite troublesome. Now the question is, so if these are common, what are the things one can do to prevent it? So of course, number one is, as I said, it's easy to say don't use screen, but it is not possible. So we have to have proper position of the head and neck when we are using the screen, and the best is to have the screen at the eye level. So if you have to work on the phone, instead of slouching and in some awkward posture, use a stand so that the mobile screen is right in front of you. If you are working on laptop or desktop, so make sure that it is again the screen is at the eye level and the proper distance from you, not too close, not too far. And then there is something called as 20-20-20 rule. So if you are working for long duration, every 20 minutes look at something that is 20 feet away for about 20 seconds. That is called as 20-20-20 rule. And then of course, if you have to look at the number of hours, so the work hours we cannot reduce, but the leisure time screen use can be minimized. So if you limit the number of hours, the impact on the neck and the head also will be lower. And then finally, doing exercises like stretching exercises or what is called isometric neck exercises, if you do on a regular basis, so we can reduce the incidence of text neck syndrome. And if the pain is nagging, troubling you a lot, don't forget to consult a doctor so that proper diagnosis can be made and proper treatment can be advised to you. I hope you learned something useful.